Welcome! My name is Vanessa and I will be taking you through a short demo of the Learning Bird app and telling you a bit about our Indigenous Digital Content Initiative. Learning Bird is a learning platform for grades 6 through 12 that offers trusted digital content, adaptive algorithms, integrated quizzes, and teaching support tools to make it easier for all teachers to differentiate their instruction so every student performs better. We are working with schools and communities across Canada to deliver Indigenous learning and digital education content from multiple perspectives. Our initiative combines our award-winning platform with additional hardware, resources, and professional development to bring Indigenous education into the digital age. Let's look at an example of how a student would use Learning Bird to find and access video lessons that showcases the Indigenous perspective. As a student, I can easily log in to Learning Bird from anywhere that has an internet connection. If my school doesn't have broadband, I can connect to an offline version of the application that is made available through a local connection in the school or at my local after-school program. I can search for a specific topic using the search bar at the top, or I can go to Browse and navigate to content by subject, course material, or even my local curriculum. I'm studying probability and math now, and I would like to see lessons around this topic. So I'll go to the search bar and I'll look up this term. Once the results come up, I can see that there are both playlists and individual lessons. This one on probability by Miss Julie looks interesting as it approaches the topic through the tree diagram model. Once I watch the lesson, I can then rate it to see if I found the content helpful or not helpful. If I didn't find the lesson helpful, I can see options on the right-hand side that show the same topic delivered from a different approach. This means that the lesson is delivered by a different educator, is approached from a different angle or example, or is presented in a different style. After watching the lesson, I'm still a bit stuck, so I can click on "This was not helpful," and now I see a different approach button. This will take me to a new lesson that will work better for me. The new lesson I'm presented with shows probability as it is related to an Indigenous game called Lahal. This is interesting and is a topic that is relevant to me, so I will watch this lesson now. Showing content from a different approach helps students have another option if they are stuck on a topic. There is always another explanation available to help them find the best path to understanding. Our algorithm understands which content, teachers, or approaches have worked well in the past and continues to recommend lessons that will be effective. Now let's take a look quickly at the teacher's perspective. Teachers can log in and access their dashboards where they can create and manage classes, find and assign lessons, and even create and assign quizzes. As a teacher, I can also see how my class is progressing as a whole. I can look at content and playlists that I've assigned and see which lessons students have found helpful and which they have not. I can also set up quizzes to test for understanding on a topic and see where students may need some extra help. We believe that the key to reaching and engaging every student is delivering multiple approaches from great teachers with content that addresses multiple perspectives, including the Indigenous voice. We would love to speak with you to learn how we can help you enhance your Indigenous digital content resources and delivery, and how we could partner to create culturally appropriate digital content that supports the 21st century learning in your schools, communities, and resource centers. For more information, contact us at the Learning Bird website or at this number. And thank you. We'll talk soon.